What does it take to go from handing out burgers to building a global toy empire? In this true story, you'll discover how one woman's relentless drive, bold leadership, and belief in meaningful customer experiences transformed her path and inspired a new generation of entrepreneurs. Sharon Price John's professional voyage began not in a boardroom, but behind the window of a McDonald's drive-thru, where she first learned the art of customer service, efficiency, and teamwork, and quickly moved into advertising at DDB Worldwide and Bates USA, honing client management and communication skills on major accounts like Hershey's and Snickers/M&Ms. After earning her MBA, she joined Mattel, rising to Director of European Marketing in Paris and later Vice President of International Marketing for Disney Licensing, where she navigated cross-cultural campaigns and built global partnerships. In 2000, she took a leap into entrepreneurship by founding Checkerboard Toys, and endured a $49 million loss when orders for the Dawn doll were cancelled after September 11, a crucible that taught her crisis management, strategic pivoting, and the resilience essential to leadership. Undeterred, she joined Hasbro, 2002 to 2009, steering first the U.S. toy division and then the global preschool unit, where her game-changing relaunch of Nerf and stewardship of brands like My Little Pony, Transformers, and Play-Doh reinforced her reputation as a brand innovator. As president of Stride Right Children's Group, 2010 to 2013, she revitalized operations across 350-plus stores, integrating product creation, marketing, distribution, and international franchising to drive profitability and customer loyalty. Build-A-Bear Workshop. Each of these roles sharpened Sharon's strategic vision, customer-centric mindset, and ability to lead through disruption, qualities she brought to Build-A-Bear Workshop in 2013 to engineer one of retail's most celebrated turnarounds, proving that real leadership flourishes by embracing challenges as catalysts for innovation. When Sharon Price John assumed the role of president and CEO of Build-A-Bear Workshop in June 2013, the company was grappling with significant challenges. The retail landscape was shifting dramatically, with declining mall traffic and a consumer base increasingly turning to online shopping. Build-A-Bear, heavily reliant on its mall-based, experiential retail model, found itself misaligned with these emerging trends. Financially, the situation was dire. In 2012, the company reported a pre-tax loss of over $48 million, marking a period of multiple years of financial decline. Sales per square foot had decreased from $445 in 2008 to $350 in 2012, and approximately 22% of stores were unprofitable. The company's stock performance mirrored these struggles, reflecting waning investor confidence. Recognizing the need for a comprehensive transformation, Sharon Price John embarked on a strategic overhaul of the company. She introduced the SPRK methodology to guide this change. See it, envision a successful future for the brand. Plan it, develop a roadmap to achieve this vision. Action it, implement the plan with efficiency and passion. Run it, continuously measure progress and make necessary adjustments. Keep the faith, maintain commitment to the transformation journey. Under her leadership, Build-A-Bear diversified its business model beyond mall-based stores. The company expanded into e-commerce, formed strategic licensing partnerships with popular franchises like Pokémon and Star Wars, and explored new retail formats in tourist destinations and other non-traditional locations. These efforts yielded positive results. By 2014, the number of profitable stores increased, and sales per square foot began to rise. The company returned to profitability within 6 months of her tenure. Sharon Price John's approach underscores the importance of adaptability, strategic vision, and a willingness to embrace change in the face of adversity. Her leadership not only revitalized Build-A-Bear Workshop but also serves as an inspiring example for entrepreneurs and business leaders navigating the complexities of modern retail. When Sharon Price John took the helm as president and CEO of Build-A-Bear Workshop in June 2013, the company was facing significant challenges. Declining mall traffic, an outdated business model, and financial losses threatened its future. Recognizing the need for transformation, John initiated a comprehensive digital overhaul to align the company with evolving consumer behaviors and technological advancements. E-commerce platform launch. Understanding the shift towards online shopping, Build-A-Bear launched a new e-commerce site designed to enhance the customer experience. This platform introduced the Bear Builder 3D Workshop, an interactive online tool that guides users through the bear building process, from selecting a bear to customizing it with outfits and accessories. The immersive experience aimed to replicate the in-store magic digitally, allowing customers to create personalized furry friends from the comfort of their homes. Mobile app development. To further engage customers, Build-A-Bear developed mobile applications that offered interactive games and alerts about new products and promotions. These apps provided a fun, engaging platform for children and kept parents informed about the latest offerings. In 2012, the company also launched a mobile-friendly website, ensuring seamless shopping experiences across devices. In-store digital kiosks. In-store experiences were enhanced through the introduction of digital kiosks and mobile point-of-sale systems. These technologies allowed for a more personalized and efficient shopping experience, enabling customers to customize their purchases and complete transactions swiftly. The integration of these digital tools bridged the gap between online and physical retail, creating a cohesive omnichannel experience. Through these strategic initiatives, Sharon Price John successfully transformed Build-A-Bear into a pioneer in experiential omnichannel retail, adapting to the digital age while preserving the brand's core values. When Sharon Price John assumed leadership of Build-A-Bear Workshop in 2013, she faced the formidable task of revitalizing a company grappling with declining mall traffic and financial losses. Recognizing the need for a strategic overhaul, John implemented a comprehensive plan to reshape the company's real estate footprint and operational model. A key component of this strategy involved renegotiating store leases to secure more favorable terms. By leveraging lease optionality, Build-A-Bear was able to adjust its real estate commitments in response to shifting market dynamics. This approach allowed the company to reduce fixed costs and enhance financial flexibility. In addition to renegotiating leases, Build-A-Bear made the difficult decision to close underperforming stores. In 2019, the company announced plans to close up to 30 locations over a 2-year period, focusing on markets where store performance did not meet expectations. This move was part of a broader effort to optimize the store portfolio and concentrate resources on high-performing locations. The operational savings achieved through lease renegotiations and store closures were strategically reinvested into enhancing customer experiences and expanding digital capabilities. Build-A-Bear launched an updated e-commerce platform, introduced mobile app features for bear customization, and implemented in-store digital kiosks to create a seamless omnichannel experience for customers. These initiatives not only modernized the company's operations but also positioned Build-A-Bear as a pioneer in experiential retail. By embracing change and making bold decisions, Sharon Price John successfully navigated the company through a challenging retail landscape, laying the foundation for sustained growth and innovation. When the COVID-19 pandemic forced the temporary closure of Build-A-Bear Workshop's physical stores, President and CEO Sharon Price John swiftly implemented innovative solutions to maintain customer engagement and sustain revenue. Recognizing the need to adapt, the company introduced several initiatives to bring the Build-A-Bear experience into customers' homes. At-home bear building kits. Build-A-Bear launched the Bear Builder 3D Workshop, an immersive online platform that guides customers through the bear building process, from selecting a bear to customizing it with outfits and accessories. This digital experience aimed to replicate the in-store magic, allowing customers to create personalized furry friends from the comfort of their homes. The customized bears were then delivered directly to customers' doors, ensuring a seamless and safe experience. PRNewsWire.com, Workshop Wednesdays. To further engage families during lockdowns, Build-A-Bear introduced Workshop Wednesdays, a weekly online program offering a variety of activities such as DIY crafts, coloring sheets, storytime sessions, and games. These resources provided entertainment and creative outlets for children and families confined at home, reinforcing the brand's commitment to bringing joy and connection during challenging times. Contact-free pickup options. In addition to enhancing its online offerings, Build-A-Bear implemented contact-free pickup options, allowing customers to order products online and collect them safely from designated locations. This approach catered to customers seeking immediate gratification while adhering to safety protocols. Through these strategic initiatives, Sharon Price John demonstrated decisive leadership and adaptability, ensuring that Build-A-Bear continued to deliver its signature experience despite unprecedented challenges. These efforts not only sustained the company's operations during the pandemic but also strengthened customer loyalty and expanded its digital footprint. Under Sharon Price John's leadership, Build-A-Bear Workshop strategically embraced brand partnerships to rejuvenate its appeal and expand its customer base. Recognizing the power of cultural relevance, John initiated collaborations with major entities like Disney, the NFL, and various pop culture icons. These alliances not only introduced limited edition bears but also created immersive experiences that resonated with both new and existing audiences. One notable collaboration was with Disney, resulting in themed bears from franchises such as Frozen, Star Wars, and The Lion King. These products attracted fans of all ages, blending nostalgia with the interactive Build-A-Bear experience. In the realm of sports, Build-A-Bear partnered with the NFL, offering officially licensed plush toys adorned with team jerseys and logos. This initiative catered to sports enthusiasts, providing a unique way to showcase team spirit. A significant highlight was the exclusive multi-year deal with the Kansas City Chiefs, where Build-A-Bear became the presenting partner of the team's mascot, KC Wolf, and introduced interactive fan experiences during home games. Beyond these, the company ventured into collaborations with various pop culture entities, including Pokémon, Hello Kitty, and Harry Potter. These partnerships tapped into the kidult market, appealing to millennials and Gen Z consumers who cherish nostalgic and collectible items. These strategic collaborations under John's guidance not only diversified Build-A-Bear's product offerings but also reinforced its position as a dynamic and culturally attuned brand in the retail landscape. Build-A-Bear Workshop's remarkable financial comeback is a direct reflection of Sharon Price John's strategic leadership during a time of intense disruption in the retail sector. In the wake of a global pandemic that shuttered storefronts and upended consumer habits, Sharon implemented bold decisions that propelled the company into a new era of growth and profitability. By fiscal year 2022, Build-A-Bear achieved a net income of $50.7 million, the highest in its history, reversing a $23.4 million loss from just 2 years prior. Backed by strong performance across both digital and physical channels, annual revenue surpassed $467 million, driven by a revitalized product lineup and a seamless omnichannel shopping experience. Perhaps the clearest measure of this transformation lies in investor response. Since the lowest point of the pandemic, Build-A-Bear's stock price, BBW, has skyrocketed nearly 700%, signaling not only a recovery but a reawakening of brand value. This surge reflects widespread confidence in Sharon's ability to blend disciplined operations with innovative brand storytelling and personalized customer engagement. Part of this resurgence came from an aggressive and thoughtful expansion strategy. Sharon led the opening of more than 550 locations worldwide, including innovative formats like seasonal pop-ups, concept stores, and shop-in-shop partnerships with retailers such as Walmart and Macy's. These initiatives helped meet customers where they are, physically and digitally, while staying cost-conscious and experience-driven. By restructuring costs, investing in digital transformation, and fostering strategic collaborations with major brands, Sharon repositioned Build-A-Bear as a dynamic, future-ready brand. Her ability to navigate disruption with clarity and creativity has earned widespread praise from analysts, media outlets, and industry observers, establishing Build-A-Bear as a case study in modern retail reinvention. Sharon Price John's journey as CEO of Build-A-Bear Workshop has become a source of inspiration for entrepreneurs around the world. Her ability to lead with vision, courage, and strategic insight, especially through one of the most turbulent periods in retail history, has positioned her as a modern role model for those striving to turn bold ideas into sustainable, impactful ventures. When Sharon stepped into leadership in 2013, Build-A-Bear was facing mounting pressures, declining mall traffic, changing consumer behavior, and growing digital competition. But rather than retreating or maintaining the status quo, she reimagined the entire business model. She invested in omnichannel strategies, revamped product offerings, and led a cultural shift that allowed the brand to connect more deeply with customers of all ages. Her introduction of at-home bear building kits, virtual experiences, and flexible retail formats were ahead of the curve, and exactly what the market needed when the pandemic hit. Her bold approach paid off. Under her guidance, Build-A-Bear posted record profits in 2021 and 2022, with net income reaching $50.7 million in 2022 compared to a loss of over $23 million in 2020. The company's revenue exceeded $467 million, and its stock value surged nearly 700% from pandemic-era lows. Sharon's vision didn't just save the company, it transformed it into a global, digitally savvy brand with over 550 locations and partnerships with cultural giants like Disney, the NFL, and Pokémon. Today, Sharon Price John is seen not just as a successful executive, but as a symbol of what resilient, values-driven leadership can achieve. Many entrepreneurs now cite her as a role model for how to navigate uncertainty, reinvent a brand, and stay focused on delivering real value to customers. Her story reminds emerging founders that reinvention starts with clarity of purpose, a willingness to adapt, and the courage to act decisively, even when the road ahead is uncertain. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur or innovator, take inspiration from Sharon's journey. Let her example guide you as you build your vision. Like her, you may find that the most daunting challenges can lead to your greatest success. What steps did Sharon take to address the company's issue? Share your thoughts.